cortexhub.ai. Big round of applause for Cortex Hub. Good luck.
Okay. Okay. Hello. I am Bogdan Sherban. I am the CTO of CortexHub.ai, and we're building the future of API integrations. Yes, this is a story about large language models. But no, it's not about building a chatbot. That's not what Cortex Hub does. In 2023, most of the LLM use cases have focused around human-to-machine conversation. We believe that's boring, and we have oriented towards machine-to-machine conversation, and more specifically, APIs. Why APIs? APIs are the DNA of today's digital economy. They are an integral part of numerous industries. But there's a problem with them. The time it takes to integrate is very complex, and it's very difficult to scale when dealing with a large number of APIs. Here is where Cortex Hub comes in. Our solution consists of autonomous API blocks that are managed by LLMs. Think of it as a daily assistant for the APIs that keeps it up to date, monitors it, and ensures frictionless integrations. Basically, the product is a hub of such API blocks. Since there is a single point of integration, our customers experience a massive decrease in the time and cost for integrating APIs. The magic of the product lies in its flexibility. Our blocks can be waved into flows, so complex cases can be handled. Additionally, with extreme speed of iteration and auto-adaptable API integrations, our customers can achieve higher time to market and increase their uptime. Let's imagine this workflow. A marketplace that sells products from hundreds of third parties. Each third party has their own API with their own data structure, and they require a custom integration and also their specific transformations. This process is very complex and takes a lot of time. And from our customer interviews, we have learned that this takes usually between 2 weeks and actually 3 months for a single API, which is a lot. Now imagine a future where all they need to do is run a single integration with Cortex Hub. Then we will take it from there. We run testing, we constantly monitor and maintain the integration, and we assure business continuity. Our solution is versatile for different stakeholders. Data managers enjoy speed and resilience. Business suits have visibility over the entire process. IT users can focus more on building value. Basically, we boil down to decreasing the. I will skip this one. The team.
Thank you. Time is over. 3 minutes are over. Sorry. Now, judges, round of applause for Cortex. And judges, you have 5 minutes from now.
Thank you for the presentation. So I'm curious about the adaptability. So you said once the integration is done, you can do the monitoring, but also adapt the integration. Can you share a little bit more on how you do that?
Yes, our solution will constantly monitor the API and will verify if there have been changes in its documentation, if in its response models, and we'll rerun the automatic mapping process, or the handshake as we call it, and we'll generate a new version automatically of the integration such that we maximize the uptime.
So what if the signature has changed not necessarily in shape, but also in content? So for instance, a few fields that we were connecting to have disappeared. What do you do then?
If the change is major, we raise an alarm. We cannot handle those at this time. So we raise an alarm, we make the user aware of this, and our solution is not no code, it is low code. They can go under the hood and actually implement themselves. If they are technical users, they can implement themselves the changes or whatever is needed to handle those complex use cases.
Thank you. And can you share a little bit the business model that you employ?
Yes, we have a license, an annual license. for growth, we are looking at a network. We are seeing a networking effect that is possible. Closer. No. We are seeing a networking effect that can occur because we are in the middle of the actors. So if one of the actors sends our connectors further to their partners, this can have a networking effect, and their partners can also join the Cortex Hub, the hub, and add their own connectors there. We are also incentivizing this by offering discounts when an existing client brings up new clients. So we are trying to incentivize them.
Can you share where are you right now, like tech-wise? What's the tech readability and customer-wise, like the traction?
Sorry?
Is the tech ready? Like
we are at the MVP level. We have one proof of concept with an aggregator of card dealers that has 170 APIs to integrate and has estimated it will take 1 year to do so with the regular methods. So we are still exploring. We are trying to do proof of concepts, but we are filtering the proof of concepts that we do. So we are still we stay true to the direction that we have chosen. So we eliminate noise.
Are you also selling professional services like integration or helping them to integrate the API, or is just the platform with license?
Just the platform. Just the platform. Yes.
can you elaborate on the team experience?
Yes, we've been a team for more than 5 years. We have published academia. We have helped startups worldwide build AI tech that has raised millions in funding. And we also have an AI community that we have raised to roughly 4,000 AI enthusiasts right now.
Would Zapier be one of your customers, and how would you approach such a customer?
As a customer, they could be. We consider them competition, but not quite, because they are focusing more on bigger APIs, popular APIs, but they could become a competition, so they can also enter this niche of custom integration and SMEs.
Thank you.
Like how technical, like in terms of like the team members, like who are using your product, how technical do they have to be?
Sorry, I don't.
How like the people using your platform, do they need any technological skills? Like, how easy it is to use?
I'm sorry, I don't hear it. Oh, how it is, what background you need to have to use the platform. We are the main reason or main goal of our platform is to make it accessible to non-technical users. We will also have the technical part under the hood, but we want to make a platform that business users can use it as well to define their integrations and have a minimal, they will require a minimal knowledge about APIs because they will integrate APIs, but we want to keep the requirements for technical knowledge to a minimum, but also offer the possibility of getting the hands dirty and making changes.
Thank you, Cortex AI.